What did you see in solid modeling and in SolidWorks so early on? Like what, because, you know, I think it'd be interesting for people that haven't got there, they should hear this, but also maybe there's a nugget here of how to look at the next technology, you know?
It's until you experience the unbelievable efficiency of it, once you get your head around it, you know, and there's the learning curve like everything else in the world. You have to think a little differently, but once you get your head around it, the efficiency is just, it's indescribable. You know, how much you can get done in a short period of time and use that solid model geometry to program machines and on and on and on and on and on. It's just a remarkable, remarkable thing. And I was using CAD key before that, okay? And I was trying to, because they were early on trying to be able to make solid models internally in their software. And 2 or 3 times over about a 4-month period, I had hundreds and hundreds of hours into some engineering projects. And something failed in the software, and I lost all that work. So I went to the dealer, who at the time was Unitech over in Middletown, and they were my CAD key dealer. And I knew they were starting to sell SolidWorks. So I went over there, and I was livid. I said, I lost another project today. I said, I got 3 weeks in this thing, and it's all corrupt. It's no good. And the problem with software that automatically backs up, it backed up a junk file, so the backup copy was no good. You know, that's why I always argue about the RAID mentality in servers. It's just making duplicate copies of junk. What good is it all? So anyway, I went over there and they showed me SolidWorks. They sat me down with it, gave me a quick demo. I pulled out a credit card and I left with it.
Is that right?
And they said I was the only customer that ever did that. You know, and that's when a couple of years later, they recruited me to teach and all this stuff.